So today we will learn about the Boolean values. It is one of the data types of JavaScript, just like the number data type and string data type we used earlier. The value of the Boolean can only be either true or false. Now let's take them in action. Add if statement with a condition true. So if the condition is true, let's log a message. The condition is true. Likewise, if the condition is false, let's log a message. The condition is false. Click the preview. If you open the console, you can see the message, the condition is true. Now let's update the condition to false. And now we can see the condition is false. Let's take another example by creating a number guessing program. So on top, you can create a variable correct case and set them to false. At the beginning of the program, no correct case has been made, so it is set to false. Then ask user a question using a prompt method. You can then ask a question, guess the number between 1 and 6. You can store the answer into the answer variable. We then need the correct number, so create a variable number and set them to 3. Now add the if statement, and in the condition, let's add if the answer given by the user is equal to number. We have to update the value of correct guess to true. Otherwise, the value of the correct guess would be false. Then let's update our second if statement. Inside the condition, let's add if the correct case is equal to true. Let's log a message. You guess the correct number. If the condition is false, then log a message. You guessed incorrect number. Let's take the preview and let's add the incorrect number. When you click OK, you can see a message, you guessed incorrect number. Now let's test the correct number, 3. If you click OK, you can still see the incorrect message over here. You guessed incorrect number. It means there is something wrong in our program. If you look at the code, you can see we have used the prompt method, and the answer provided by the prompt method always return as a string. So in our condition, it's something like string is strictly equal to number. It always return false. So we need to convert this string into a number. It's very simple. We just need to add plus symbol at the beginning of the variable and it should do the work. Let's test them again, and this time it will log a correct message. You guessed the correct number. Likewise, let's test the incorrect number, and we can see a message, you guessed incorrect number. I want to cover another topic in this current session. So far, we have only used 2 conditions. If the condition is true, do some action. If the condition is false, do another action. But what if we want to add multiple conditions? For example, let's say, if the weather outside is sunny, I want to go out for a swimming. If the weather outside is snow, I want to go for a ski. If the weather outside is raining, I will stay at home, otherwise I will read the book. In this case, we can use the else if statement. So let's take the main action and add if statement. Inside the condition, add if the weather is equal to sun. We can log message. I will go for a swimming. Now we can add else if statement. And here we can add another condition. Let's say if the weather is equal to snow, we can then log the message. I will go for a ski. So you can add as many else if statements as you want. So let me add one more over here. Inside the condition, I will add if the weather is equal to rain. I will log message. I will stay at home. Otherwise, I will use else statement and log message. I will read a book. Now on top, let's add the variable weather, and I will add a value sun. If you refresh the browser, you should see a message, I will go for a swimming. I will update them to snow, and now I can see I will go for a ski. Likewise, I will update them to rain, and I can see my message, I will stay at home. If you add other value or add empty string, you can see a message, I will read a book. So feel free to use Boolean values and else if statement in your program. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will cover the fourth topic, logical operator. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.